Welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on simplifying the expression x squared minus 4x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. Follow along as we break down the steps to efficiently reduce this expression to its lowest terms. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify and factorize the numerator. The given rational expression is x squared minus 4x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. First, notice that the numerator x squared minus 4x plus 4 can be factored. The expression x squared minus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square trinomial, so it can be rewritten as the square of x minus 2. Therefore, the numerator x squared minus 4x plus 4 becomes x minus 2 squared. Step 2. Cancel the common factor. The expression now reads x minus 2 squared divided by x minus 2. Since x minus 2 appears both in the numerator and the denominator, it can be cancelled out. Therefore, x minus 2 squared divided by x minus 2 simplifies to x minus 2. This is the final step. The rational expression has been reduced to its lowest terms and the simplest form is x minus 2.